Hello everyone! Look at these incredible movie-level scenes on the screen, especially how this Egyptian pyramid was built right before your eyes in the middle of the desert. Believe it or not, all of this was created in just a few seconds using AI. And the best part? You don't need any expensive editing software or animation skills. You can perform this magic with just one click. In today's video, I'm going to show you secret AI tools and master prompts that will completely change how you create content. Welcome to another special tutorial from PC Error Detective. Today, we're learning pyramid construction time lapses, pro drone shots, the viral Earth zoom out, and 3D parallax. Stay tuned until the end, because I'm going to share a secret tip that will skyrocket your video retention instantly. Our first animation is the cinematic time-lapse. We're going to show how these pyramids were built step by step, thousands of years ago. For this, we need two images, a first frame and a last frame. For the last frame, we're using this complete photo of the pyramid. Now, we need a first frame where the pyramid isn't there, just sand and desert. We can do this easily with Google Gemini. Just upload the photo to Gemini and say, "Remove the pyramids from this photo." Boom! The AI gives us a perfect desert background. Next, we'll head over to Google Flow. Select the Frame to Video option and upload our empty desert photo and the complete pyramid photo. Wait! You're going to need a technical master prompt for this, which I've placed in the description box. Paste the prompt and just hit the Generate button. Give it a moment, and yes, just look at that. In the blink of an eye, the pyramid was built from the ground up. Incredible, right? It looks like a scene straight out of a movie. The second trick is the drone shot. Adding a drone zoom-out shot at the end of your footage takes the quality to a movie level. To do this, export the last frame of your editing software as a still image. I'm using CapCut here. Now, we'll use Google Flow to create this. It gives a much more stable and cinematic result compared to other tools. Upload your photo and use our drone shot master prompt. The AI will analyze the background and pull the camera back smoothly. Oh, here's a secret trick. If you want a drone zoom-in shot at the start of your video, just reverse the footage after generating it. It'll look like the camera is zooming down toward the subject from above. This adds so much professionalism to your channel. Guys, if you want more informative AI videos like this, subscribe to PC Error Detective right now. Now, let's learn the most viral trick, the Earth zoom out. When the camera flies from the ground straight into space, viewers are just left stunned. To do this, we'll use the last frame of our drone shot as the first frame. Head over to Google Flow or Gemini Business and use the special Earth zoom prompt. Look at how the camera cuts through the sky, goes over the clouds, and heads right out of the atmosphere into space. This guarantees 100% retention. Finally, we'll learn 3D parallax. This gives your still photos depth and turns them into realistic videos. Upload your photo to Google Flow again and give it the parallax prompt. The camera will zoom and the movement of objects will look completely real. Remember, don't forget to instruct the subject to stay still in the prompt. Look, the photo has come to life. So, guys, by using these 4 tricks, you can take your channel's video quality to the next level. All prompts are in the description. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and leave your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.